But if you could type the number 1 into a cell and Excel instantly shows you the top student in your entire class, type 2, it updates, type 10, it updates, no sorting, no scrolling, just one formula doing all the heavy lifting. What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Today, we are combining two incredibly powerful Excel functions, filter and large, to build a dynamic rank lookup system. You type a rank number, and Excel pulls the entire row of data for that student automatically. Let's get into it. The data setup. So here's our data. We've got a mark statement table with 30 students. Column A is the roll number. Column B is the student name. Column C is the year group. And column D is total marks. Students range from scores like 242 all the way up to 481. And we want to be able to instantly find out who scored the highest, who came second, who was 10th. On the right-hand side, I've set up a small lookup area, columns F through J. Column F is where we'll type our rank, and the results will spill across from G to J. Let me show you how this works. Understanding large. Before we write the formula, let's quickly understand the large function on its own because this is the engine that powers everything. Large takes two arguments, an array of numbers and a k value, meaning give me the kth largest number, like 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, whatever. So if I write equals large, D3 to D32, comma 1, it returns 481, the highest score in the whole list. Change the 1 to a 2, it returns 465, second highest. Change it to a 5, it becomes the 5th highest score. But here's the thing, knowing the number is only half the job. We want the entire row of data for that student. That's where filter comes in. The filter function explained. The filter function works like this. It takes three arguments: array, the data you want to return, include, the condition to match, and an optional third argument for when nothing is found. So in plain English, we are saying, show me all the rows from this table where the total marks match a specific value. And that specific value, we're going to use large to calculate it dynamically based on whatever rank number the user types in. So now let's write the full combined formula. I'm going to click on cell G3 right next to where I've typed rank number in F3, and I'll start typing equals filter. So again, first argument is the array. I want to return data from all four columns, so I'll select the entire data set, A3 to D32. And it's very important that we are going to add references to lock this data. Comma, now the include argument, this is our condition. I want to filter rows where the total marks column equals the kth largest value, 5th, 6th, whatever. So I'll type G3 to D32 and we'll add references equals large. So we are saying only include rows where total marks equals the large result. So inside large, the same total marks range, D3 to D32, and we would add a reference, and F3, which is our rank input cell. Close the bracket for large, close the bracket for filter, and press enter. Seeing it in action. And look at that. Excel has instantly pulled through all four columns for the rank 1 student. That's Georgina Reed. Roll number, year, total marks, all given top of the class. Now watch what happens when I change the rank. I'll type 2. Imogen Taylor. I'll type 5. I'll type 10. Every single time I change that one cell, the entire row updates. No VBA, no macros, no helper columns, just one formula. Filter combined with large. This is exactly the kind of dynamic, intelligent spreadsheet that saves you hours every single week. And that's it. Filter with large. One of the most dynamic lookup combinations in modern Excel. If you found this useful, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.